The front doors are open at Chestnut Grove Elementary School in Decatur, but class is out for the summer. Construction crews are taking advantage of the time they have to overhaul a wing of the building ahead of the start of school.
Chestnut Grove is one of the larger projects that we have this summer.
Lee Edmondson is project manager. The elementary school closed before the end of the school year to allow crews to start work on phase 2 of renovations.
Phase 1 we did last year, which is the office area. That included HVAC system for the front office area. This year we're doing the kindergarten wing for HVAC, the whole wing, including the library. Also sprinkling the building, fire suppression system. The building built in 1990. It wasn't built with a sprinkler system in the building. Next phase we'll do the 3 through 5 wing. We'll do the HVAC and a sprinkler system on that wing. And then the next phase we'll do the auditorium, cafeteria, and the kitchen area.
Edmondson says this will bring the south wing of the school up to current fire safety standards.
The number one reason is for the protection of the kids. This building will be fully sprinkled by the time we're done with all the 4 phases.
At more than $1 million, phase 2 must be completed in time for the start of school in August. Edmondson says they're getting closer every day.
July 15th, we have the state scheduled to come in and do their above ceiling inspections. July 16th, we'll start cleaning the classrooms. We'll start placing furniture back in probably that last week in July.
Chestnut Grove Elementary School isn't the only project on the construction list this summer.
We have 3 activity buildings. Each one of those are about 5,000 square feet, and they're averaging about $1 million, 1.2 each. Those 3, Chestnut Grove, Julian Harris, and Austinville Elementary. Colin area is getting a new kitchen hood. Decatur Middle School, we have a roofing project going on over there.
Crews are also busy finishing up renovations to the new central office at the corner of Grant Street Southeast and 4th Avenue. A list of improvements Edmondson says only makes Decatur City Schools even better. Elizabeth Gentle, Decatur City Schools.